So today I'm going to teach you how to do in an easy way an outdoor compost. It's very simple. You're going to need just a couple of ingredients here. So you're going to need like ground material like this here that you're going to shred. So you can get this when you order stuff from Amazon and things like that. Just keep the cardboard here and just cut it in little pieces here because the worms love to get in there. And so after, you're gonna lay it right down here. So I'm gonna put some more. You're gonna need some green material like grass, for example. It's a bit windy today, so and we're gonna need, after, some organics here. As you can see, that's like kitchen rest, you know, from vegetables, bananas, rest of apples, things like that. You don't put that in the garbage, you put it in a little composter here. And also I'm going to use coffee ground, yeah, because the worms love going in the cardboard and the coffee ground like that. So I'm going to be shredding all those little pieces here like this. So when you get like parcels from Amazon, don't throw it away. See? Just put it down here. We're going to start a little pile here. I'll show you after how it goes. And after that, so you shred it here. Keeping on shredding. This here. Create a little pile. More cardboard right here. You can also use like newspaper or like stuff like that you have in right here. Up. After, I'm going to use some grass clippings here. You can see that's for the nitrogen. The brown material will give the dark color, so you can mix that up. So I'm going to pour in after this here, right here, as you can see. Okay. And I'm going to add the coffee ground right here. Just that way too. And something really important is that I'm going to use like existing like compost here. So you see how it is, just to activate the bacteria that's gonna, the good bacteria that's gonna make it start like that there. And one super important thing is that you need to water the thing. See? Just to wet it. There you go. So remember, you need cardboard. That's for the worms to love going under that there. You're going to need some kitchen scraps, some greens, so grass clippings or whatever vegetable scrap you can have. Leaves is really good too. And you need some water and air, so the compost is going to work that way. Now I'm going to show you a little bit this pre-existing compost here that I started like 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks, a month ago. And now if you look right here, I'm going to show you here, right here, this is the nice compost you're going to get here. See? That's the result. So you're not going to get a lot. You have to kind of do a lot to make it work like that there. But that's pretty much how it goes there in full air. So do not put any like meat or bones or stuff like that, because you'll have mice and rats. You don't want that at all, of course. But you see, See how quick it goes there, and if you dig in there, there's probably gonna be some worms inside. Don't see. So as you can see right here, there's a couple worms in there, see? So it is attracting worms, as you can see right here. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign that it's working here. And the compost is working there. The worms are gonna dig holes, and they'll be much more better for the compost here. So I'll put them back in.